Hi there, my name's Nini and I'm going to show you 2 ways to apply vinyl decals. For the first method, we're going to need the vinyl of your choice, a hard card, and the project you're going to be working on. Firstly, I'm going to grab everything out of the packet. These are how all our vinyls come. Comes with a how to apply decal information sheet, an alcoholic wipe, the vinyl itself. Now we're going to rub firmly on the vinyl. This is called burnishing. This is to help the transfer tape to stick to the vinyl. Next, we're going to need to clean the project we're working on and make sure it has a nice base so that the vinyl adheres properly. Turn it upside down makes it easier for you to be able to peel the backing tape off the decal. Now sometimes things lift up like a little bit there, just press back down and it should be good to go. Now we're going to place it onto the project, so make sure you line it up exactly where you want it. Place it on there. Give it a nice firm rub down. Make sure you can get it on there as good as possible. Now start to peel the transfer tape off. Now sometimes parts will pull up. You just need to press them back down again and continue in a rolling motion as to not lift it too high. There we go, our first one's done. The second method is called the hinge method. Now for this one you're going to need scissors, any sort of tape, the vinyl decal, hard card again, and the project you're going to be working on. This is my little sewing box with all my little stuff in it, so I'm going to be putting something on the lid of this today. Now pull out the contents of the vinyl bag. We have the vinyl, the decal application method, the card, and the alcohol swab. I'm going to clean our project once again. Now this time we're not going to peel it straight off. We're going to press firmly against, once again, to burnish onto the transfer tape. I'm going to place it where we want it to go. Grab a piece of tape and place it along the middle. Now this is a smaller piece that I'm working with, but the same method applies to working with larger pieces as well. Also on curved surfaces this way helps. So place that tape down the middle and you're going to peel the backing off of one side. Nice and gently, make sure that you don't lift away any of it, and you're going to cut away the rest of that backing paper so that it's moved out of the way. And then we're going to place down gently the vinyl onto the project. I'm using a card here just to make sure I get no air bubbles. Peel the tape off of it. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, so we're going to peel the backing away gently and at an angle to ensure that we don't lift the vinyl off and misplace it. And once again we're going to place it down gently. I'm using the burnishing technique again just to make sure that there's no air bubbles, and we're going to rub it on there so to make sure it's nice and secure. And once again we're going to peel the transfer tape off in a rolling motion over the vinyl to help push it down as you go along. There we go. Now the sewing box lid's back on and that project is done. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed.